Hello, it's Mark with VeloCab, and today we want to talk about drive trains. And specifically, when do we know that it is time to change the chain? Now, what is the drive train on a bicycle? It's three main parts: your chain rings, and your cassette or freewheel in the back. The chain needs to be changed whenever it stretches beyond a certain distance, a certain measure. We're going to look at that in a moment. If you don't do that, then you wear out more quickly your chain rings. They're more expensive. Typical chain could be around $20. Chain ring could be 30 or 50, and the whole cassette could be more like 70 to 100. So you want to change your chain about every couple of thousand miles or so, or when it's just stretched, so that you can avoid wearing out your chain rings and your cassette or freewheel. All right, so how do we measure when the chain is ready to be replaced because it is stretched too far? A tool like this. This is the Park CC32, and you'll notice it has two measures here, 0.75 to measure 0.75% stretch, and 0.5 to measure 0.5% stretch of the chain. I'm going to put the 0.5 portion down. I look for an inside link, and then I extend this measure down. And does it fit in? Yes, it does. That means this chain is stretched to the point where it's beyond 0.5%. Now let me check 0.75. When it's stretched this far, I know it's about time to go get a chain. Maybe I've got another couple of rides left. I'm going to flip it around and measure 0.75. If it's stretched this far and I can drop this in the slot, which I can, now I know it's time for me to go get a new chain. All right, on the market, there are really three main players for chains: Shimano, SRAM, and KMC. Chains are in different widths. A single speed chain is different than a 9-speed chain, for instance. And then of course there's 10, 11, and so on chains. The chains get thinner as the gears get closer together. You must then match the chain width to your cassette or freewheel. So this is 8 speeds, and I'm going to put an 8-speed SRAM chain here. All right, so the first thing I want to do is look at the chain and see if there is a master link. And actually there it is right here. I can tell it's a master link because there's a space. And to get that master link undone, I'm going to use a tool. I don't absolutely have to have a tool like this, but it makes it a lot easier. So just put the tool right here, squeeze it. Okay, so this master link makes it easy to break the chain. Now, if I didn't have a master link, I could still break the chain with the chain break tool. As you see, the chain is apart. And what I'm going to do is keep that master link. All right, now I've used the old chain and counted links so that I know where to break the new chain. I am going to use the master link provided with this new SRAM 8-speed chain. So I will break it exactly the same number of links as the old chain. Okay, using the chain break tool, we're going to eliminate the extra links of chain. And we can push the pin entirely out because we're using a master link. Alright, so we're feeding the chain through the small chain ring. We're going to go around the cassette, through the pulley. Around the lower pulley. Glad I have plenty of soap inside. Now we're going to finish off with the master link. Now I can do this a couple of different ways, but I'll go ahead and take the chain off. Put that in one side of the chain, the other master link in the other side. Line them up. So I should be able to just pull the master link and it should snap. And if it doesn't snap, then I can put this tool back down in there and pull it apart. There it goes. It snaps into place. All right, now I'm going to check and make sure that that is right. Okay. All right, so now the chain is on. It's clean. I see some wearing on the main chain ring here, the big one. If it looks a little bit like a shark tooth or a fin, then it's not good. It's time to consider replacing this Shimano SGB. It's a 59 tooth ring. I'm going to be looking for another one to replace this one here in the next week or two. All right, that's it for changing your chain out. Let me get the chain back on. And thank you very much.